Hey guys, here's a quick video on how to use HMAC SHA256 on your iPhone with shortcuts. The only difference on this one is the hex. So let's say if you need the hex, you just need to apply one simple change. So the original code or shortcut you'll find was created by @supermammon. You can find it on Reddit or just look him up, jokecamp.com. So this is the basic script here. Basically, the only thing I changed was the script at the bottom, but everything else on the shortcut remained the same because this actually works fairly well. So when you open up the script, just go ahead and change your script at the bottom to meet what you need. So for example, in my case, I'm working on building my own Pictory. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but link is below. Basically, you'll be able to design videos on your phone using shortcuts. And it looks something like this. But basically, the main output here or change is that once you put in your JavaScript for whatever you need. So in the case of story blocks, for example, you're going to need expires and all of that. So there's a couple of things I changed on the main script here. But the main output is the bottom here is you need to have HMAC builder.digest and then change it to hex. And it's going to give you an output in hex. So it'll look something like this. Let me scroll down. There you go. And then you get the output in hex format. So that's how you go about putting hex. And then you'll be able to build things like this, where you'll be able to start building things like, depending on the API or servers that you're looking to build, some of them do request that the encryptions be in hex. For example, story blocks, you'll be able to do things like this and build out things on shortcuts. Shortcuts is pretty flexible. It's pretty amazing. You can do a lot of automation. So this is a pretty cool one. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below.